Okay, it has in here, it's got something going on in here. Might be just to dissipate heat. We'll find out, I guess, soon enough. The bottom 4 buttons, different tactile feel again than all the other cameras. On the top, all the bracket, that's its maximum in that angle, and then that's its maximum in that. So you wouldn't be able to place this on vertical glass. It'll always have to be bending down a little, or tilting down a little. AV in, that's the rear camera, and DC in, that'll be the power. On this side we have power button, a slot for the micro SD card. So it looks like they've decided to cut the case out, which gives them more ventilation, and have the buttons attached to the case. So there's no real buttons, it's actually part of the casing, but it certainly gives it more air, more ventilation. And here, microphone or reset button. We'll look at the back here, and here we have the same overlay as you see on other 70mai cameras. Button 1, 2, 3, 4, showing what they do. Power here, micro SD there, AV in and DC in. Let me tear this off. I like the colour around the screen, nice little unit.